Welcome back. Now, as of the recording of this video, Claude does not have the ability to directly produce video and or audio. However, what we can do is we can create a script in order to place in a kind of artificial intelligence that can create video or audio. So what we can do inside of Claude is we can take our same summary and we can ask for that summary to be turned into a narrative for us to place inside of an artificial intelligence. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask Claude to create a script that we're going to place inside of an AI audio reader. And what we want is for Claude to describe what the individual is seeing on the web page so that when the audio is playing, the individual will associate what's playing in the audio with what they're seeing on the screen. We are now going to click enter. Claude is going to undertake the process. So what we now have is we now have the narrative for us to place inside of an audio AI or a video AI in order to be read to explain our artifact that individuals are going to be seeing on the web. And so you can undertake this with any part of the process. You can allow Claude to write a video script for you that you can either narrate yourself or you could have an artificial intelligence to narrate your script. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.